Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the process of creating a custom registration form on WordPress. Let's dive in. Making a custom registration form on WordPress is simple and efficient. Begin by accessing your WordPress dashboard. If you want your site visitors or customers to register seamlessly, a custom registration form is the way to go. For this tutorial, we'll use a plugin called Forminator, which is specifically designed for creating various types of forms, including registration forms. Start by navigating to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. Click on Add New, then search for Forminator. Once you find it, install and activate the plugin. Forminator is user-friendly and packed with features for designing contact, payment, and registration forms. After activation, locate the plugin in your dashboard to access its features. On the Forminator dashboard, scroll to the Forms section. Here, you can choose to create a new form from scratch or use one of the pre-designed templates. For this tutorial, we'll select the registration form template to give us a professional starting point. Name your form, such as Test User Registration, and start customizing it. The registration form template comes with essential fields like username, email, and password. You can easily customize these fields and add more, such as full name, phone number, or drop-down options for country selection. Simply click Insert Field to add new fields and configure their settings. For instance, you can mark the username and email fields as mandatory while keeping other fields optional. You can also rearrange the field order and adjust the layout to suit your preferences, like placing the password field at the bottom. To make your form visually appealing, personalize its design. Choose from various styles such as default, bold, or material, and customize the colors and fonts. For instance, you might change the Submit button color to align with your website's theme. You can also decide what happens after form submission, like displaying a confirmation message or redirecting users to another page. If you'd like to stay updated on new registrations, enable email notifications. You can also send confirmation emails to users who sign up. Additionally, Forminator supports integrations with third-party applications, making it easy to expand the form's functionality. When you're done customizing, preview the form to ensure everything looks perfect. The fields, such as username, email, and phone, will be arranged according to your configuration. Once you're satisfied, save the form as a draft or publish it. All your forms will be listed in the Forminator dashboard, where you can manage, edit, and view analytics for each one. And that's it. You've successfully created a professional, fully customizable registration form for your WordPress website using Forminator.